HTML comments genuinely let you leave real notes in your markup that browsers never render, and real whitespace collapses predictably. In this video you'll see both real behaviors. Everything between less than, dash, and greater than genuinely never renders real, useful for actual notes or temporarily disabling markup. A browser genuinely collapses multiple real spaces down to just one, no matter how many were actually typed in the source. Real line breaks and indentation in the HTML source genuinely collapse to a single space too. Visual layout is controlled by real CSS, not source whitespace. Less than, dash, greater than genuinely creates a comment, never rendered to visitors. Multiple real spaces line breaks genuinely collapse to just one when rendered. Real visual spacing is controlled by CSS, not real HTML source formatting. Add a real explanatory comment to a section of your own HTML. Ready to write real special characters correctly?